Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. After the menu opens, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called sounds and vibration and select it. And here scroll down and find the option called ringtone. Here we have it. Once you find the ringtone, tap on it. It will open the list of ringtones you can select from. I'm gonna increase the ringtone volume for a second so you can hear the ringtones. Okay. And on the list you have different types of ringtones. You can tap on one to basically get the preview of it, and you can go through them if you want to. Once you find the ringtone you like, tap on it to select it and then go back by swiping right on the screen. You can also change the notification sound, so basically ringtone for the notifications. And once you open the list, tap on the sound you like and then swipe right on the screen to go back. And once you're done changing the ringtones, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the ringtone on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.